Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and validate data with Great Expectations, full guide step by step clearly. Start by installing Great Expectations if you haven't already. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the command pip install Great_Expectations to install the package. Once installed, navigate to your desired project directory. Create a new Great Expectations project by running Great_Expectations in it. This command sets up the necessary file structure. Next, connect your data source. Edit the Great_Expectations.yml file to include your data source details. You can connect to various data sources, such as a local file, a database, or cloud storage. Once connected, load your data to inspect it. Use the command Great_Expectations suite new to create a new expectation suite. Follow the prompts to choose your data asset. Once your suite is created, validate your data. Use the command Great_Expectations suite validate to run your expectations against the data. Check the output for validation results. If you encounter failures, review your expectations. Adjust them as needed to improve data quality. After validation, save your results in a data documentation site. Use the command Great_Expectations docs build to generate the documentation. You can browse your validation results in this documentation. Finally, regularly validate your data using scheduled tasks or CI/CD pipelines. This will help maintain high data quality over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.